Okay.
Alright guys, Justin here, Street Stand Civic Garage. We're here raffling off the seats for the Civic for this weekend's 100 lap enduro. To all you guys that participated, thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and the guys that actually participated, you know, everybody can't win, but we hope you all do win. And let's just get right down to it. We're gonna draw the back seats first, and then we'll do the front seat. So we got lids on here, guys. We actually got to cut them open, so this has got everybody's stuff in it that they've paid to try to win a seat in this car here to ride with us at a 100 lap enduro. We're gonna open this up, we'll set it up on the car, we'll draw a name, and we'll be contacting them later to let them know that they've won. And if they're watching, then I guess you'll know you won. So for the back seat, guys, our first winner is going to be Donald Grant. He gets a back seat.
And it's like froze. Do you hear me?
Did it?
Yeah, it's like froze.
Oh, it froze.
Mm-hmm.
Is it all right?
No, it's still froze. It's stuck with you with your hand in the bucket.
Oh, I guess live Facebook Live quit, but we'll keep on going. Let's see here. Our second winner is going to be Sydney G. We will give her a call later. Let her know she gets to ride. Keep these in my pocket, that way we don't lose them. It's kind of windy out today, guys, so we don't want to lose them. So we'll get down to who gets to ride in the front seat. Sorry about the Facebook Live, guys. I guess it quit working. But we will post this to our YouTube channel for everybody to be able to see if they won. Alright. And let's see here. For the front seat winner, Chris McDonald gets to ride up front. So there you guys are. Appreciate y'all helping us out, and we will be having fun this Saturday running a 100 lap enduro. Good luck. Thanks for all the winners, Chris, Donald, Sydney. You guys are going to enjoy, have a wonderful time this weekend. I hope you guys do. We will be getting a hold of you guys with the details and when to meet up and when we will be leaving. Just remember, you guys got to have a helmet and some kind of eye protection. As long as you guys can supply that, you're good to go. We will be contacting you here very shortly, and good luck. Thanks to all the winners, and I hope you guys have a great time.